How to cancel Netflix auto renewal and then stop Netflix membership. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can cancel your auto renewal of Netflix, which means your auto payment, and then how you can stop the membership as well. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, whether you're on mobile or your PC, you don't want to open the app because the application does not offer you the way. So you want to open up your browser regardless of what you're using and then go to netflix.com and then sign into your account. So once you go to netflix.com and sign into your account, you have to understand that Netflix is actually a auto renewal service, which means that after you have added your payment method, they are going to deduct balance from your card or your payment option every month in order to renew your membership. So let's say that's just to bug in for you. You don't want it to auto renew itself. You only want to renew it manually whenever you want to and update your payment method in that way. Well, there are a couple of ways you can do that, but there isn't a direct way, so you have to keep that in mind. So once you go to netflix.com, on the top right hand side you'll see your profile. Just hover your mouse icon over it, and then you want to go to the option called account, which you see right over here. And then once you go to account, there are two things that you can do. The very first thing we can actually do is we can change the billing date. So if you don't want it to renew automatically on this specific date, currently it is set to February 27, 2023, and if I don't want it to be renewed on this date, maybe I want it to be renewed on the 20th or the 29th or the 30th, I could absolutely do that by just clicking on the option called change billing day, which you see over here. When you click on the change billing day option, you can simply enter the new billing day and it is going to review and confirm it in that specific day each month. But if that is not what you want, and if you really do want to stop auto renewal, well, not auto renewal, but this time what you have to do is you have to actually cancel your membership. So when you cancel a membership, Netflix is not going to charge you. Your payment method is still there. You can resume next time when you want to, but if you don't want auto renewal to be the case, you can cancel the membership. And when you cancel membership, there is a very decent thing that you have to understand, and that is that many people actually ask me in all of the questions and videos that they tell me that if I cancel it, will my cancellation be effective right now or from the end of the month? So keep in mind that your billing day is, let's say, on 27th of February, right? And let's say that today is the 1st of February. So if you cancel your membership now, since you're already charged for this month, until 27th of February your membership is going to remain, and after that you have to actually renew your membership. So that is how it's going to work. Because you've already been charged, you have until the end of this month to go ahead and then actually watch Netflix. Then after that you can cancel your membership, and that is one of the things that you want to understand. If you want, you can also pause it for 1 month or finish the cancellation process in order to cancel a Netflix membership and stop the auto renewal process. And that's all it takes to stop auto renewal and then cancel membership on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.